Alright, students, Mr. Young here on the very next page with our vocabulary. Let's go ahead and digest these words and then move on to the assignment for today. Our vocab assignment. Alright, gladiator. In ancient Rome, a person who fought people or animals for public entertainment. He's looking pretty hard. Anatomy, the study of the body's structure. A vault. You think of a vault, you might think of like a safe, but in this definition of a vault, we're thinking about a vaulted ceiling, which is, well, pretty much a curved ceiling made of arches, like so. Satire is verse or prose that pokes fun at human weakness. Usually, when you think of a satire now, you think of like a sarcastic cartoon. It's usually like closely associated with sarcasm. Ode, a lyric or poem that expresses strong emotions about life. Like, you usually hear people joking about odes to their favorite things. Like, I wrote a poem about buffalo chicken dip. It would be my ode to buffalo chicken dip. It's my favorite food. Reforms, changes that bring about improvement. Mosaics are motifs or images. It's like made up of many different little pieces, like glass or rock. It's a mosaic. Here's an example. Saints, people considered holy by the followers of the Christian faith. Most saints die, and then they become a saint. Like Mother Teresa was sainted. She was always helping poor people. So she's now Saint Teresa. All right, that's our vocab. On the next page, it's one of those option assignments. All right. There are only 8 vocab words, so your 2 options are either write 8 separate sentences with 1 vocab word each, being sure to bold that vocab word for me, or option 2, you can write the story or poem using 5 vocab words, still being sure to bold that vocab words or highlight them, italicize them, whatever. Just as long as I see them, I can go, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're all here. Feel free to get creative. I have some kids write poems, some kids write stories. I had a girl last year who wrote 1 long story over the course of the entire school year. Every time she read a different chapter when we got to this type of vocab assignment. And remember, if it's fun enough or creative enough, I might just give you bonus points. This is pretty much the only way you get bonus points in my class, is awesome vocab submissions. So that's it. If you do write the poem or the story, don't write me like a 2-sentence story with 5 vocab words in it. Don't hash it together, cobble together. It's ugly and it's lazy. Don't do that. But if you have a sentence that happens to fit 2 vocab words, that's fine. Just don't give me a Frankenstein hash job. If you look at it and go, Mr. Yen might not like this, then Mr. Yen probably won't like it. All right, that's it. I'll get off my soapbox. That's it for today. Tomorrow, or the next day, because I think this is a Friday, the day this is due, we'll get into lesson 1. Take care.